Mr. Bean is a hard-working plumber. Today, he has 3 appointments, and just like every day, the 3 jobs are spread all over town. He is disappointed that he has to spend so much time driving from job to job and can't respond to customer emergencies fast enough. By the end of the day, Mr. Bean is so tired from working and driving. He wishes there was an easier way to optimize his daily schedule by finding more jobs near to him so he wouldn't have to drive so many miles every day. Now, Mr. Bean, your wishes just became a reality with DouGua Ondemand Home Service app. DouGua is a mobile platform that connects people in need of services with qualified nearby service providers in real time to get the job done faster and more efficiently. Watch how Mr. Bean uses the app today. In between his usual 3 scheduled jobs, he gets a notification of Emma's job just 1 mile away. Mr. Bean quickly responds with a quote and a note that he can be there within 20 minutes. Using the app, Mr. Bean can find nearby jobs one after the other quickly and get notified about jobs in his area, which means less driving, more jobs, and more money. It's a win-win. Download DouGua today. Let us connect you. Our home services include plumbing, AC service, appliance repair, cleaning, landscaping, roofing, or general handyman tasks.